I'm going to be giving you a room tour of our preferred room here at All Star Movies. Hey guys, it's KJ. Welcome to my channel. Today we are at All Star Movies and I'm going to be giving you a room tour of our preferred room here at All Star Movies. So before we head inside, if you guys like today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new and you like the content. And without further ado, let's take a look at the room. So as soon as you walk in, you have a window on your left. Now we happen to have a nice view. We overlook the courtyard to the Toy Story area, Andy's room. But typically you're just watching other people walk by. It's not really a view type of room. And then right next to that, you have your thermostat if you want to adjust anything. And then over here is your little coffee bar. You have your little ice bucket over here. You have a couple of outlets. I guess, does this light up? Oh, it lights up. How nice is that? You have your coffee maker with your Joffrey's over here. And in this drawer, they usually have more. Yep, so we've got some more Joffrey's, some Twinings tea over here and over here. We've got some standard coffee here. And then we also have decaf as well. They come with creamers and stirs and sugars, and then you also have to-go cups, which is really nice if you're a coffee drinker. Oh, they also have regular drinking cups as well, and here we have some Sweet and Low. One thing I just want to point out about the coffee cups, the to-go ones, look, they have little Mickeys on them. How cute is that? And then underneath that, they have the beverage cooler, which is not the same as a refrigerator, unfortunately. So as it says right here, not sure what happened to that sticker, beverage cooler, cools to 41 degrees and above. Please contact the front desk for assistance. So I guess if you need to keep something cooler than that, maybe if you are nursing and have breast milk, something like that. Next to that, we have the receptacle for garbage and recycling. Then right next to that, you have your main counter space here. You have a couple of outlets and USB. And then you also have some on this side. So if you need to charge things, this is a great place to charge all of your items. You also have your TV here. Hi guys. Then underneath we have some storage. You have some extra pillows. This is where you can keep your safe. You also have a Bible. Then you have a set of 3 drawers here, which come with a lot of space. Over here, this is where we typically keep the pack and play or the crib. If you had an adjoining room, this is where your door would be, so you couldn't put a crib or a pack and play there if you were going to open the door up. But this is for adjoining rooms. Then you have a little coat rack over here to hang bathing suits or coats or whatever you might need your bags. So that's the coat rack. Then over here, we enter the bathroom. And what you have here is a sliding door. So it's like a barn door, I think they're called. Even squeaks a little bit, so you can have privacy in here if you have little ones and you wanted to have, some time like I do to get ready in the morning. So right when you walk in, you do have some space here. You have a closet with some hangers. It is an open closet, and then it does have a shelf up here for additional storage. Next to that, we have an ironing board. We have the iron, we have a hair dryer, some extra toilet paper and tissues, and then an additional shelf for storage space. You have a decent amount of counter space here for all of your items. Here's your standard sink. You get 1 sink. You get the bath soap here. We have some washcloths over here. Just again, additional counter space. We have the mirror. Hi guys. We have a makeup mirror here, as I like to call it. It is the standard, flips both sides, the magnified side. It usually has a light. Yep, it's got a light. And then we have some outlets, and then I believe this is the light to over here. Over here we have more storage. We've got some towels. We've got some storage down here as well as over here. This is usually where we throw our towels when we're done with them. Let me know in the comments down below if you do the same. And then over here we have a pocket door. So if I can get it open. It's like tricky. Oh, okay, so here's your pocket door. And again, we have another mirror, and I have the baby here. So here we have a mirror and the pocket door. So this sections off the shower and a toilet. Makes a nice sound, guys. So you have your toilet over here. You have some towels above that. Here is your shower. Taking a peek inside, it's just a standard shower. You guys, I didn't know what this was for the longest time, but you can pull this out and it does connect to that side over there, that silver thing to hang your bathing suits and wet items. They also have a shelf in here, and you have your standard H2O products, your shampoo, conditioner, and your body wash. And then on the outside of the shower, we have more towel racks as well as this little hook. And that's the light for there coming out. Here we have the bed over here. I believe it's a queen size. So you have an end table over here. You have more outlets and USBs. You also have a light switch for over here. We've got really the only Disney theming in the room. We have Mickey, Minnie, and Donald. Over here we have another floating nightstand. You've got your telephone, more outlets and USB, and then another light. And then here we have the Murphy bed, which I'll show you guys a clip in a little bit or a little later in this video. You have a table and 2 chairs. And then over here you have another floating nightstand. And this has the new little, I don't know what to call this, guys. What is this called? Like a little tablet where you can do different things. And again, more outlets over there. So we can, so this is Hello Friend. I'm the Disney Magical Companion here to make your stay more delightful along with my friend Alexa. So I guess it's kind of like an Alexa. So we'll check it out throughout the trip. So make sure you guys go back and check out our vlogs because I'm sure we'll show it throughout. But they also have, I guess, a little pamphlet here that tells you how to use it. So, and then they have over here the room occupied sign and then back to the door. And here's my lovely family. Say hi, Danny. So here's just a quick view, overall view of the room, but that is basically it for a preferred room at Disney's All-Star Movies. Thank you so much for coming along for this room tour. If you guys liked today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. If you're new and you like the content, I would love to have you subscribe. And with that, I'll see you guys real soon. Bye!